Here, and thanks for coming to my channel. You're probably here because you read on my title that I copied Camila Cabello's Instagram for a week on my Instagram. Now, the reason why I decided I wanted to do this video is because I've seen a lot of videos like this here on the interwebs and backspaces of YouTube, and a lot of the celebrities I did notice people did that were really popular was Selena Gomez, Ariana Grande, Demi Lovato. So I was like, who can I do? That sounded wrong. So I thought, why not Camila Cabello, since she is one of my favorite artists aside from Selena Gomez, but I was like, let me do something different that I haven't really seen much here on YouTube. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you my little behind the scene vlog of how I got ready to take the picture, taking the pictures, how it came out, and how I did on my Instagram. So for this challenge, I posted 5 pictures on my this is 10. 5 pictures on my Instagram. I'm on Instagram at the Henna Ali. Wanted you could follow just because I am popping on the gram. So I'm hoping this challenge is pretty simple and not too hard. And this is when I was lying to myself, truly. So without further ado and too much chit-chatting, let's get straight into this video. Just got back from the mall and I got most everything from Forever 21. I already had a couple of the pieces for most of her pictures. I just needed like one top here, a top there, pair of earrings, and 1 pair of leggings, but everything else I pretty much already have. I'm gonna go ahead and tempt this picture right here. These are the leggings I went with, and everything was from Forever 21, and these came out to $14.90. This Adidas jacket that I thought it could work. It doesn't have the stripe across it, but it does have the stripes that I thought could kind of look good with the leggings that I got. Alright guys, so I look like crap right now, but I think I got the picture. The second picture I recreated of Camila Cabello is one of her promos that she did for her new album that she shot in Miami. I tried my best on this one. So this is the next one that it's a little tricky. I could not find a bralette like this, I guess, since it's still winter, but I do already have like a denim button-up shirt for that. But this, I went ahead and got something else, guys, so I kind of had to do some faux bangs going on, but this was the outfit. I don't want to open it up because there's nothing there, but I don't know if I'm loving the bangs. This picture will probably be my least favorite picture just because I really could not get it to the T. So, but I tried my best and hopefully it comes out well. So this third picture is a campaign that she did for Guess. Tried my best to recreate this one. Camila is so petite and so, you know, like, it was so difficult to really do the pose and, you know, have that body structure, but I think this picture came out pretty good. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and include the next picture I am trying to attempt. This is just getting harder and harder by the minute, and I think that has to do with the fact that I have really straight hair and I do not have bangs. So, but that is what's happening. Now for this fourth image, I was really torn between 2 pictures. It was a selfie and this other image that I ended up going with. So I picked this picture because I was like, I love oversized hoodies. I have so many, and it was just really like, it matched almost with the theme of my Instagram. So I was like, you know what, I think I'll do it. Alright guys, so I am working on this next picture of Camila Cabello. The one that I'm recreating, it's of this one right here of Camila Cabello with a hoodie on, and she's in front of these fire doors. Now obviously I'm not in front of fire doors and I wouldn't know where to find one. But I do have this gray, my living room is painted gray in my house. So I was thinking I can take a picture in front of the gray wall and then just go ahead and Photoshop the fire door sign. Now this last picture that I recreated of Camila Cabello, I think it has to be my all-time favorite out of all the 5 pictures I did for this week. I just loved how it came out. I don't have full bangs. I don't even have, like, my side bangs are like this long. So it was just really fun getting to do like faux bangs in my own hair, and I love how it turned out. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm actually in the process of creating bangs for myself, because if you can't tell, I don't really have the full bang. So I'm just taking a piece of my hair from the back and clipping it or bobby pinning it on the top, you know, mess it up a little bit, and I'll be right back. When you're trying not to mess up your faux bangs, you're like not moving your head, but I'm gonna go ahead, and I got these hoop earrings from Forever 21 for $3. I remember I used to wear hoop earrings back when I was in middle school, which was like what, 2007, 8. Stopped wearing them after a while, but I guess they're back in. I don't know. How do you guys think of this look on me? That's how the bang situation is going. Guys, what did I get and learn from this video? What I pretty much learned is it's best to be yourself on social media, in person, in general. Be yourself. You know, I think the best version of you is of you, yourself. What I really admire about Camila Cabello is that she's so normal and she seems so genuine. A lot of times, you know, celebrities they get caught up in being super glam, super photo shoot all the time, but I loved how, you know, her pictures were so real. Like, I can see myself taking selfies like that, or outfit, you know, or random, like, she's just, I guess I want to say is that she seems so relatable. So it wasn't really that crazy or, you know, weird taking pictures like that and posting it on my Instagram. Now, will I say, was it an easy task? I thought it was, but it was not simple at all. It was actually pretty difficult for me, but the time it took to do it was so much fun. I really had so much fun doing this, and I'm thinking if you guys really like this video, maybe I can do some more celebrities. If you have any suggestions on who I should copy next on my Instagram for a week, make sure to comment them down below. Like this I'm like on Instagram. Like this video if you haven't already. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, because I do post new videos here every week, and I mean, it's not only of me copying celebrities, just saying. But alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.